Greetings to all tech visionaries! Join us on Mega Technology as we journey through heavy machinery, modern inventions, and the exciting frontiers of modern technologies. How do you transport a Cat 785D water tanker weighing 250,000 pounds across the scorching Pilbara? Sounds like a job for superheroes. But for the guys at NHH Hauling, it's just another workday. Equipped with everything necessary for safe and efficient transportation, they take on the responsibility of delivering this Titan to its new location, where it will help maintain order and prosperity. Rest assured, the route was perfected and every mile was under the control of professionals. The twin-engine, dual-propulsion, dual-drive road trains DPRT have a high payload capacity, which significantly reduces the time and costs of transporting ore from the mine site to the concentrator, train, or barge loading terminal. With payloads of up to 500 tons and unlimited range, distance is no longer an issue. By reducing transportation and vehicle cycles, you get higher productivity at lower costs. The additional payload achieved with DPRT is simply a game changer in terms of operational productivity and cost efficiency. How can you transport huge wind turbine blades? Only with the help of Saren's professionals. Their machines are not just vehicles, but true road titans created for handling giant-scale tasks. These powerful engineering marvels can maneuver with giant loads as easily as if it were feathers. Watch how these technological giants deliver wind turbine blades across long distances, demonstrating incredible power and precision. If you are looking for an effective and cost-effective solution for your woodworking needs, the Wagner 2WD log stacker is worth a look. Not only do these machines require less maintenance due to their advanced design, but they also promise significant cost savings through less tire wear and improved fuel efficiency. The updated Wagner cab not only improves operator visibility and comfort, but also significantly improves productivity. With the addition of three-wheel steering, these log stackers are ideal for working in tight spaces, eliminating the need for costly center pivot repairs that are common on larger wheel loaders. Friends, you see a Palfinger van forklift, your new best partner in delivery. This versatile forklift can be ready for action in just 30 seconds, ideal for dynamic logistics operations. Its excellence lies in its ability to adapt to any terrain conditions, ensuring that every delivery is made without compromising on accuracy and speed. Integrated into the design, a compact storage box under the loading dock allows for optimal use of space, while quick deployment ensures maximum productivity every working day. In a world where every square meter of land can be the beginning of a new story comes the DB45 from Sleipner. Not just a trailer, but the key to new horizons. This marvelous machine, capable of forging a path through the most impassable terrain, turns challenges into opportunities. It takes equipment up to 45 tons on board. As if whispering to it, show the world what you can do. With the DB45, temperatures from -40 to 122 degrees Fahrenheit are transformed from challenge to pleasure. In northern Thailand's Lampang province, ITD is deploying ThyssenKrupp's advanced Barracuda rotary excavators at the Mae Mo mine, 372 miles from Bangkok. These excavators can handle up to 18,000 tons of overburden per hour, ensuring continuous and efficient coal mining. This state-of-the-art equipment not only reduces operating costs and harmful emissions, but also eliminates the need for blasting and separate loading operations, making mining safer and more environmentally friendly. ITD thereby raises standards in the mining industry, greatly reducing environmental impact and increasing productivity. The Mobile Diamond Wire Saw, abbreviated MDS, is a new development from Schwing, primarily designed for the natural stone industry for cutting rough blocks of any type of stone and cutting trenches directly in the mining area. The cutter, which is mounted on a Manitou telehandler, is moved to the site and precisely adjusted to the distance required to make the desired cut. Its position can be adjusted individually, thanks to its wide 66-degree swivel range. The diamond wire is then driven at speeds ranging from 65 to 130 feet per second, thus beginning the cutting process. The unfolding of the MDS cutting machine is a separate and very impressive visual spectacle. The K-Tech Model 1228 ADT is a powerful machine with excellent maneuverability. K-Tech's lowest cost to install ADT scraper provides high productivity on small, heavy-duty construction sites. The all-welded rigid frame model 1228 ADT has a 28 cubic yard payload capacity, which is highly impressive. The 1228 ADT is an attractive choice for contractors who have older or idle ADTs in their fleet with 25 to 35 ton capacities that can be converted into efficient and versatile scraper dump trucks. The Roxcon H4 hydraulic refinisher was developed in Western Australia specifically to increase crop and pasture productivity and to work well with the remediation of difficult soils. The technique has a working width of 3 meters and typically operates at speeds of 10 to 13 kilometers per hour. In most agricultural situations, 3 to 5 passes are required, but only one pass can be efficient when used as a deep loosener over rough terrain. Farmers can typically work about 10 hectares a day with the Refinator H4, which can work faster than many other deep loosening machines. The machine is ideal for working on heavy terrain with numerous stumps and stones. Process logs easily, quickly, and efficiently with the new Avant mini loader and the attachable log splitter. The Versatoc log splitter attachment cuts logs into manageable chunks for firewood for cold winter nights. The splitting force is 7.6 tons. The maximum log length is 26 inches and the diameter is 12 inches. A 4-way splitting wedge is standard equipment to split the product into 2 or 4 pieces. A 6-way wedge is available as an option. Wedge height adjustment is done manually as standard, with hydraulic height adjustment available as an option. ABS Remorques, manufacturer of semi-trailer conveyors and subsidiary of Menick, has launched the LRC product line. This updated version, lighter than the RC model, allows for a higher payload without sacrificing strength and durability. The new LRC model uses cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses, and extending the life of the trailer. A direct conveyor connection speeds up unloading speeds by 16% compared to a connection to a hydraulic unit. All these modifications have been made to improve safety and ease of use of the trailer for the operator. You are looking at the best-in-class ledge cutter from Ducker. This state-of-the-art technology helps you perform perfect shoulder milling and load the milled material in a single operation with a working width of 4.1 feet. The technique also has auxiliary augers that only increase the working width to 5.6 to 6.9 feet and make it easier to work under and behind the fence. This type of machinery also has a specially attached broom that cleans the streets similarly. In conclusion, the SBF 900 ledge milling machine is truly Ducker's best self-propelled version with hydraulic travel and milling drive. This loading vehicle is pushed in front of it by the SBF 900 shoulder milling machine with the help of a copy roller. This is how the milling machine determines the optimum working speed. Presenting the Battle Axe Series 40 from Lofness, a master at turning large excavators into powerful wood processing machines. Designed for machines weighing from 36,000 to 60,000 pounds, this equipment features a unique 2-stage cutting chamber and depth limiter, allowing for incredibly powerful performance. Efficiency is complemented by a perfectly matched hydraulic motor and belt drive, ensuring smooth operation. And all this is backed by Lofness's outstanding support and dealer network. How often can one machine change an entire work process? With Grattle hydraulic excavators and their attachments, this becomes a reality every day. Armed with everything from grapples to road mowers and even branch cutters, these machines are ready to tackle any job. And the addition of Telestick only adds to their already impressive capabilities, extending their reach and allowing them to work even more efficiently. Grattle attachments really do open up new horizons in construction and grounds maintenance. The new line class ARF 8x8 is manufactured in high quality to meet the needs of the fire apparatus sector. Thanks to its lightweight and aerodynamic upper structure, composite alloy and twin engine, 1,300 horsepower engine, the new line can reach the hearth of the fire in seconds, fearlessly tackling even the worst fires. All thanks to a fire pump that can easily pump 12,000 liters of water per minute. Meet the DGT Modified Wrecker Super Heavy Duty Wrecker, patented by Big Technique. The machine features a 2-cylinder 80-ton tilt head with no extendable boom and a 3.3-foot, 2-stage hydraulic extendable bottom elevator. The hydraulic system includes tubing, hoses, and a 10-function ukr safety valve block. The installation includes a power tilt to minimize damage to bumpers. The tow truck also has one 20-ton Sepson hydraulic winch with 30-meter cable, pressure rolling, and pneumatic-free spool. The rig is fully sized and made up of modern Domex 900 steels, equipped with deluxe stainless steel tall boxes and a trestle. ABI recently presented the new TP470 Vario, a power split infinitely variable drive machine. The vehicle is equipped with a VM turbo engine with an output of 136 horsepower. The new technique is developed based on the flagship model VT450, but was completely structurally rebuilt. The brand management assures that with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van not only has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design and is now ready for the widest range of agricultural work at any time of year. The RTX 750 SOC trencher can cut a trench 24 inches wide and 36 inches deep. The sliding trencher moves 16 inches to the left from the center. It makes it easy to dig clean, straight ditch walls for efficient utility installation. The height can also be adjusted for easy transportation. The attachable conveyor unloader is capable of handling dump trucks weighing up to 10 tons. This allows operators to work in tight urban areas by feeding soil directly into the dump truck. Workstation all-attachment controls are manually rotated 90 degrees. The swivel workstation is designed to optimize the view of the rear attachment and maximize operator comfort. Pocket Bucket is a remote-controlled tracked mini-loader equipped with a bucket for working in hazardous areas, in mining sites for example. The bucket's lightweight and retractable design allows the machine to be easily transported in a van or on a trailer. The Pocket Bucket embodies a specialized machine with a running gear that is made of high-strength materials with an anti-corrosion coating. The Smart Battery System, SBS, is an integrated sealed compartment that houses the charger for the remote control. The spare battery is charged automatically while the machine is running. Simple and intuitive operation with a single joystick ensures that you always have one hand free to control other machine movements. The A-frame, created by Elphinstone, is a low-maintenance trailer with less dead weight. It has no slots or pull pins, but pole repositioning can be easily adjusted. Elphinstone's unique design allows the vehicle to not only slide, but also pivot, which reduces stress on the A-frame, pole front, and pole hitch. The folding rear mudguards have replaceable nylon bushings, and the hinges, stretchable mudguards and fully enclosed suspension provide superior protection for cables, air lines, and brake parts, making cleanup easier and reducing road spray and mud on logs. This cargo equipment will fit in any truck and can be changed from truck to truck without modifications. Dry suction excavators. These trucks can handle any material that needs to be moved. Eliminating costly and heavy loads, A suction excavator uses air to loosen materials, and a staggering 24,000 cubic feet per minute to remove it. A rubber digging tube ensures safe digging, and all these features combined with the side discharge system allows for on-site unloading, allowing this powerful dump truck to work on-site all day long. The single-point ripper you see on your screens has an angled tine design that provides optimum strength for ripping frozen ground, rocks, sidewalks, and other jobs that exceed capabilities of a heavy ground-moving bucket. This powerful excavator ripper is a versatile tool that goes beyond simply loosening hardened soil. Excavator rippers can also be used to remove stumps, root systems, and rebar. Want to see how equipment stands up to serious testing? In Sheldon, Iowa, Holtrop Excavating regularly tests the durability of its Smith Co. trailers by exposing them to large concrete blocks. This video shows how, after a rigorous concrete test, the trailers easily handle the transportation of huge wooden trunks. The versatility and reliability of Smith Co. trailers allow them to operate in the most demanding conditions, making them the ideal choice for Holtrop ground-moving operations equipped with the same brand side dumpers. If you're looking for a crane that not only lifts your loads, but also lifts the spirits of the entire crew, then the SMC 812CCL is your ideal candidate. With its spacious cabin equipped with all amenities, operators will compete to work for the right to work with this crane. The SMC 812CCL combines outstanding lifting capacity with excellent maneuverability, making complex tasks surprisingly simple. It's not just a crane, it's a masterclass in efficiency and comfort at the workplace. This is what a proven tree care solution looks like. Without disrupting traffic, the compact 718 E-Series models operate with high reliability at Senebogen in the UK. Whether picking up and cutting at a height of 13 meters thanks to the telescopic boom, or simply grading on the ground, the 718E is easy to operate and has a wide range of applications. Guided by the Prenoth Clean Motion philosophy, they have revolutionized snow removal technology. Their electric Husky E-Motion and Lightwolf H2 Motion hydrogen-powered models, both with fuel cells and internal combustion engines, take environmentally friendly snow removal to a new level. The Lightwolf H2 Motion, for example, is a concept vehicle that combines performance and environmental friendliness. The hydrogen snowplow was developed with two different powertrains, a fuel cell and an internal combustion engine. The hydrogen is stored in tanks mounted on the rear of the machines, allowing up to 4 hours of operation. With its modern cabin design and all the best features of this flagship rat track, the path to eco-friendly winter sports is being paved. OMEPS has introduced its new 29 cubic meter double tipping tank truck with a steel chassis. It features a lightweight aluminum chassis that provides maximum payload for each load. The tanks also feature double-sided aisles, folding handrails, and quick-loading hatches with only 4 cam levers. Ring welds are ground inside the tank to allow free flow of product to the discharge cone when tipping. A pneumatic vibrator is installed at the rear of the bottom of the tank to facilitate cleaning of the product at the end of loading. The discharge cones are made of polished stainless steel, hinged and bolted for accessing and cleaning the inside of the tank. They are equipped with 5 Solimer aerators that create an effective aeration zone to liquefy the base material before discharge. The RanchWorks Tandem Drum Aerator is designed from the ground up for pasture aeration and land management. Using RanchTech blades, thick-walled steel construction, and a triangular tongue, its capabilities range from maximum subsoil breaking power to brush clearing and land management. With different roller offsets, the tandem can go from no-till to tillage as needed. Discover Posh's SpaltFix K Vario, a mobile sawmill that turns logs up to 2.1 feet into perfectly sized firewood. Choose from 2-inch to 6-inch chop lengths with adjustable settings for perfect results. Run your machine via PTO, use a diesel engine, or switch to electric for less environmental impact. plus the in-feed table and longitudinal with cross conveyors ensure continuous and efficient operation. Ideal for both tractor and road chassis use. The Western Australian state government has paved the way for the use of extra-long road trains in the Pilbara region. It was stated that the new road trains are longer and safer than anything seen on Australian roads before, with the tractor and 4 trailers having a total length of 197 feet. These modern vehicles have superior handling compared to standard road trains. The use of such a trailer can be used for various purposes, including the transportation of iron ore and other materials. Although the RVs are capable of higher speeds, they will be limited to 55 miles per hour, making it easier for other vehicles to overtake and providing superior performance on the road. The spraying drone that you are now seeing on your screens can safely be called the new generation of flying expert. The exclusive advantage of EA Vision is that the double camera allows the robots of the device to perform work in difficult conditions, such as hills and mountains. At the same time, the spray drone can work even at night, and everything because it has a night flight lighting system, EANLS. The brightness of 5 meters reaches 700 lux, and the binoculars work independently, both day and night. Slat Tracks is a ground protection system for your mini loader that rolls out to raise a temporary road up to 100 feet in about 2 minutes. The system includes a hydraulically powered attachment that holds 2 tracks reels that are 36 inches wide and 42 inches wide each and up to 100 feet long. Breakpoint sections in the tracks allows for manual maneuvering. Slat Tracks will increase the productivity of work crews and provide a professional alternative to plywood and mats. The system can be used on hills, curves, turf, and paved surfaces. An optional trailer accommodates the entire system with 2 100-foot coils. With the new TP470 Vario, ABI has entered a new performance class for its machines. The powerful sharing continuously variable drive machine is equipped with a VM turbo diesel engine with a total output of 136 horsepower. The new model is based on the VT450 Vario, but has been completely structurally rebuilt. According to the management assurance, with a total weight of 10 tons depending on the wheelbase, the new van has about 20% more power, but also 5% more payload than the previous top model. In addition, the vehicle has an entirely new front-end design. The machine presented by Fasterholt is a self-propelled irrigator with a turbine engine. It is built on a new undercarriage with reinforced rear axle and a Nortoft electronic control. This technique is already known for its reliability, and all thanks to the use of advanced technology. The main advantage of the model is that it is equipped with very long hoses and a new turbine with high efficiency, which provides energy and low pressure drop. The feed bed of the Moorbark Model 6400 XT horizontal grinder has sloped sides and is 24 inches longer than previous Moorbark grinders with more than 1,000 horsepower. This configuration improves operator visibility for more efficient material loading. The Woodhog model comes standard with a removable return floor in the feed chain to dump excess material and reduce wear and tear. Weighing less than 96,500 pounds and measuring 11 feet 5.5 inches wide, this equipment model features a standard Caterpillar 325L undercarriage and a 23.5-inch dual ground track tracks. This TMR Jailer mixed truck is the largest TMR mixer offered by the manufacturer. In this configuration, it has a capacity of 1,190 feet, 33.7 meters cubed, which is quite impressive. The ration includes conditioned barley, dried distillate grain, additives, Fry's byproduct from a local processing plant, and corn silage. With a rugged walking tandem with dual tires and optional brakes, hydraulic or pneumatic, this commercial mixer can handle the rigors of heavy rations on feedlots. XCMG excavators are machines with outstanding technical characteristics, which have proved themselves perfectly in the process of construction, excavation, and repair of communications. Interestingly, for maneuvering, the technique does not require a large open space, and it works with virtually any soil. Efficient, powerful engine of relatively small volume fully complies with Euro 2. To eliminate the possibility of damage or suspension of work due to frost, an automatic engine heating system is provided. Their innovative dual pump system in the hydraulics ensures stable spreader value operation and high flow rates. As a consequence, increased boom and bucket performance and productivity. Rational power distribution, low fuel consumption, and low noise level make XCMG excavators a very attractive purchase according to potential customers. The CAS AT7 is not just a slinger, but a revolutionary off-road all-terrain vehicle built to go where other machines give up. This fully remote-controlled four-wheel drive vehicle is specifically designed to transport materials to the most inaccessible corners. With a width of only 12 feet, the AT7 maneuvers easily in tight and confined spaces without sacrificing power. Its 225 HP Cat engine can haul loads up to 150 feet. The AT7 is the perfect solution for moving large amounts of material where it seemed impossible. Have you ever wondered how to keep your truck fleet perfectly clean without any extra effort? This new washing system is your answer. It's designed specifically for heavy equipment used in construction, mines, landfills, and other places where dirt is part of the daily grind. This system doesn't just wash the wheels and underbody, it does it automatically, efficiently, and environmentally friendly. Thanks to the closed water cycle, truck wash reduces water consumption, and the directionally adjustable nozzles guarantee perfect cleanliness, even at high pressure. In the world of construction, Casa Grande hydro mills are like superheroes among ordinary bulldozers. Capable of withstanding the most challenging ground conditions, these machines are equipped with two drive gears that rotate directly at the bottom of the trench. And yes, they really mill the soil and rock, mixing it all with bentonite slurry to the rhythm of the construction blues. If you need something reliable for creating membrane walls, these water mills won't just do the job, they'll exceed your expectations by adding a little style to every excavation. It's worth remembering the 1980s when the Diffco turf cutter first burst onto the scene, revolutionizing the world of peat extraction and changing the landscape of manual labor forever. This ingenious attachable turf cutter ushered in a new era, delivering high efficiency with a 9 to 11 tons per hour output. Imagine the leap forward from debilitating manual labor. With a choice of cutting blades adapted to different peatland depths, from shallow to premium black peat, the Diffco turf cutter provides the perfect fit for any customer's needs. Not to mention the hydraulic pressure relief valve and chain protection, which ensures that even unexpected obstacles won't be a problem. It's not just a machine, it's a revolution in peat production. The Panther T14R rotary dump truck offers the highest speed combined with high payload in its class and sets new standards for productivity and mobility. Introducing a patented innovation called directional reset, which essentially allows the operator to reset the upper and lower vehicle alignment, front and back, with the simple push of a button. The Prenoth rotary hauler provides continuous rotation of the top of the machine. With a payload capacity of 29,100 pounds, this carrier has the largest payload of any vehicle of this type in its category. The rotating separation of this vehicle allows the operator to work in tight, sensitive areas where other equipment does not have access. The new 6.9X Series All-Star Sieve Bucket is the first time the All-Star Sifting Bucket has been used with colonnade sand and decorative stone. The All-Star Sieving Bucket and JCB topsoil work seamlessly together to mix compost and topsoil, creating a well-balanced environment for gardening use. The X Series utilizes dual screening bays for increased productivity, sturdy construction, and space. By the way, Diffco manufactures and supplies only the highest quality equipment for the construction and recycling industries. Called by the company a skid steer bucket on steroids, The blade buddy has a center support system that allows it to be lifted and moved with a full load of material. Equipped with dual pins, the equipment can transform from unloading to carrying modes in seconds. This allows you to collect, unload, spread, or load contents. The attachment is also equipped with load support brackets, which are removable hinged extensions located on either side of the front of the unit. Are you already familiar with the CAT M323F two-way excavator? It can be used as a two-way machine on the road or on the track. The highlight of the machine is the hydrostatic rail-wheel drive. During track operation, there is no contact between the rubber wheel and the rail, so the operator can move the machine along the track without paying attention to the track infrastructure. Its short tail section and associated maneuverability make it particularly suited for working on embankments, noise barriers, overhead line masts, etc. At 5.12 feet long, this excavator fits into any tunnel and can also be used on narrow construction sites. With a counterweight of 7.5 tons, it still provides very high side loads. Meet the Liebherr TA230 Litronic, the true star of the quarry dump trucks. This cool monster on wheels not only looks like something out of a futuristic movie, but works with such power that any loads turn to dust in its path. Equipped with a modern diesel engine and the Litronic system, the TA230 promises maximum performance with minimal fuel costs. And don't worry about maneuvers. Its improved control system and spacious cabin make every turn easy and comfortable. Experience the power and versatility of the Krone Cranes Tire Handler SWL, a tire handler that turns a laborious task into a simple operation. With the ability to safely handle large loads, this manipulator not only eases the lifting and moving of heavy tires, but also significantly speeds up the process. Thanks to its high-strength construction and precise control systems, the tire handler ensures that every tire is moved with maximum accuracy and safety. Think of it as your reliable assistant in the garage or warehouse, capable of so much. The Pecan Gullwing is a breakthrough solution for farmers looking to maximize efficiency and meet road regulations. This device is designed to use dual wheels while maintaining a narrow transport width. The transition between work and transport modes takes only 20 to 30 seconds. In work mode, the dual pneumatic wheels extend 4.9 feet behind the tractor, minimizing ground pressure and improving traction. And in transport mode, they fold compactly behind the cab. This not only improves mobility, but also allows the use of various agricultural equipment without affecting cross-country ability. Want to know how to cut I-beam steel and pipe efficiently? The CAT S3070 shears are ideal for hydraulic excavators weighing 30 to 45 tons. With a 7-ton weight capacity, 40-inch jaw depth, and 32-inch opening width, these shears can handle the roughest materials, steel plates, and pipes with high efficiency. With exceptional durability and easy maintenance, the CAT S3070 is an indispensable tool in various scrap metal and steel recycling facilities. And in this video, we can clearly see the cutting power of the machine. Who can tell me why care for trees along railroads is important? In fact, this is not just a matter of beauty, but also of safety, because trees can pose a threat to moving trains and the integrity of the tracks. Woodcracker machines are the best suited for solving a specific task. Using the Woodcracker model T4000 telescopic platform and the Woodcracker model CS510 gimbal grapple, professionals can effectively manage vegetation by removing anything that could interfere with the proper functioning of the transport infrastructure. This approach guarantees the safety and reliability of rail and road traffic. Imagine your next road paving job starting out perfectly smooth, thanks to the wheeled excavator with RF Systems' unique X-Plane dozer blade. Equipped with a laser-guided dozer blade and leveling beam, this miracle machine ensures a completely smooth surface preparation. The X-Plane dozer blade makes the difficulty easy, ensuring that your pavement starts with a perfectly prepared subgrade. you see a new 7-axle super dump on the new Kenworth T800. This incredibly cool dump truck is rated at 80,000 pounds in the Federal Bridge formula and allows you to load over 25 tons. Several options are available, including the IntelliTruck control system with onboard scales, rear-view camera, and body angle monitor. This TMC Cancela mulcher with hydraulic push frame and turbo clutch kit is a powerful machine specially designed for mulching branches and low trees, including stumps left after tree felling. But when combined with a Volvo excavator, for example, the machine is capable of working at quite a high altitude and can be used to mulch the tallest trees. The mulcher's build quality is very high, as high-quality steel and additional connecting elements were used for its production. After winter, any meadows need some establishment and extra care. Now is the time to make it easier on yourself and use the new AgBot from the popular company AgSeed. With their new Guttler Greenmaster 300, you are completely unleashing your hands. The fact that the technique is equipped with intelligent digital planning, which helps you create the most efficient route to save energy in seed. Plus lightweight, wide tires, and low pressure. Everything your soil deserves. The Bacchus A38 represents the culmination of innovative developments in the field of ecological engineering, being an advanced extension of the Bacchus A36. This triangular windrow tedder is particularly effective in areas requiring maximum precision and productivity, such as composting green waste or remediating contaminated land. The machine is equipped with a state-of-the-art Cummins engine compliant with a Tier 5 emissions standard, ensuring environmentally friendly operation even in the most demanding conditions. With a track drive available in 3 variations, including rubber and steel tracks, the Bacchus A38 adapts to different types of surfaces, offering optimal traction and durability depending on the configuration chosen. If there's one job on the farm that everyone struggles to do, it's certainly not picking up stones. It's a messy, labor-intensive task that never seems to end, and no matter how attentive the operator of a trailed or walking picker is, there will always be stones left in the field. The Quicker Picker is the first rotary rock picker to attach to the front of mini loaders with at least 60 horsepower. The 400 and 800 models are available. The 400 model, which can hold up to 900 pounds of rocks, has a drum length of 36 inches and a diameter of 30 inches. Not surprisingly, the 800 model offers increased both size and load capacity, holding up to 2,000 pounds and offering a drum length of 48 inches and a diameter of 36 inches. Bucketmouth has been involved in land management, farmland preparation, and major landscaping operations around the world for over 10 years. Their TSG 1000 series mulcher actually adds to the profitability of companies that utilize such systems. As you have already realized, this tractor is used specifically for mulching. At the front of the cab is the roller, and it moves on a trackpad base. There are spiral-shaped spikes on the shaft. It works at high speed. From the surface, it can shred stumps up to 2 feet in diameter and up to 3.2 feet high. The shaft can also go into the ground up to a distance of 1 foot deep. Incidentally, the shaft is 8.2 feet wide. The unit runs on diesel fuel with a capacity of 270 liters. Also, the miller has been tested on 30,000 acres at a speed of 1.25 miles per hour. The Helioder Compact Disc Harrow from Lemken is ideal for cultivating bare stubble or incorporation of surface residues from previous crops on light to medium soil types. When preparing the seedbed after plowing or in mulch sowing, the technique ensures an evenly loosened and level seedbed. In combination with the Solitaire pneumatic seeder from Lemken, you can get a fast and efficient combination for soil tillage. These features make the Helioder a true all-rounder, saving users valuable time and money. Erickson Air Crane of Oregon, one of the leading U.S. manufacturers of specialized equipment, has introduced an upgraded S64 helicopter crane. Its main feature is the presence of a grapple grip. According to the designer's idea, the novelty is needed when liquidating the consequences of major emergencies and natural disasters. Importantly, the capabilities of the matrix detection and evasion system can allow the S-64 to extinguish fires with water droplets at night or in poor visibility conditions, for example, when the pilot's vision is obscured by smoke. In addition, an autonomous S-64 could also be useful for military resupply missions or for lifting long-line cargo. Let's talk about Chemrock's mounted rotary cutters. I'll tell you right away that when working with rotary cutters, each tool penetrates the rock in parallel lines, destroying the materials from the space between the lines. The cutting speed depends on the uniaxial compressive strength of the rock being broken. A significant factor that also affects productivity is the pressure and oil flow that the excavator applies to the attachment, as well as the weight and stability of the equipment itself. Presenting a legend of lifting equipment, the 45-year-old side loader from Hamar. This old warrior isn't just an average loader, it's the first of its kind and still in action, lifting 20-foot containers with an ease that even the company's new models might envy. Who said old can't be in service? As you can see, this long liver continues to prove otherwise. The All-Man AZ55F swivel loader has proven itself in the tree nursery. Simultaneously driving, maneuvering, and turning are the key to its high productivity. Thanks to the combination of four-wheel steering and a 180-degree swivel boom, the All-Man swivel loader can rotate completely around its axis, taking up 20% less floor space than a conventional wheel loader. Fast and efficient loading, unloading, and reloading of trees and hedges with root clumps is what this new technology can do. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.